coming to abroad is like a social media trending.
The university is good at marketing itself.
Yeah, it is.
You can see that they are also helping with
Yeah.
part-time jobs which are there on campus. South
Yeah, I'm
Asian
shocked.
student. Yeah.
First, I was thinking there will be a lot of British people, but in my class, there is only 2 British people. I prefer to go another university because I came here to meet different people, right?
Right.
Especially British people.
Right.
But I'm quite disappointed.
And more than our responsibility is not just helping students like yourself to come to UK, but also to actually building your careers. So in any way I can be of help in helping you get a job, be it part-time or full-time. I'm going to make my efforts from here.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
You want to start from there, or like how do you want to go around the campus?
Yeah, anywhere we can.
Anywhere?
Yeah.
But thanks for taking out time, Mariam. Where are you from in India?
I'm from Jharkhand.
From Jharkhand.
Yeah,
Oh,
but I
wow.
was raised in Uttar Pradesh.
Where did you do your undergraduate study?
Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
You are doing your MBA Business Analytics from University of
East London.
Did you have any work experience back in India?
Yeah, I was working in TCS.
Okay.
In
And how long did you work for TCS?
1 year.
And you were working as a software developer
No, in research and development team.
in research and development team.
Yes.
And then why did you decide that you want to do an MBA?
I just want to learn more and more in my field so that I can do better in my field, in business analytics.
In business analytics.
Yeah.
UK, I think, is a great country to
it's
to
a
learn.
great country.
And how's your? When did you start your education here?
January 29th.
January 29, 2025.
2025.
So you've been here now for a while.
It was challenging but quite interesting
Uh-huh.
because in first I haven't got any job. Then after 2 months, I worked for an event company for 1 month. Then in restaurant, I have worked as kitchen assistant. Then for 1 month, I'm not working anymore. I have quit. But now I'm looking for a job. So it is very challenging because whenever you're going for any job, they definitely ask for reference.
Right.
So it's very hard to get a job here.
Get a job here.
For any, especially they are hiring full-time jobs. They're not hiring part-time. But yeah,
So they are hiring full time.
yeah, they are hiring full-time.
Okay, we would want to know more about that as to which companies, what roles are the great ones, because I know a lot of people who are looking for full-time jobs and they have part-time but they are looking for more full-time roles. So I think that's a knowledge we will also get out of you. Where we are, this is the Docklands library.
Yeah.
Is this the library that
Yeah, this is the library.
do you come here and study?
Yeah, that is IT cell. IT cell. This is the library. They are having 4th floor.
But do you need actually books? Do you lease out
Yeah.
books from here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is free.
Everything is free.
Yeah,
So that's
everything's
all
free.
included, and then you are actually able to. It's also nice, peaceful environment.
Yeah, it's very quiet, very peaceful.
Let's maybe see more of the campus, what all infrastructure is there.
Okay.
Maybe we can go to your business department and see where you study, where are your lectures happening.
Half of the classes are going in this
In this building?
Yeah, West building. When I was in first semester, it was happening in East building. So for newcomers,
Right.
it will happen in East building.
The green building over there.
No, beside, in front of that.
The building
Yeah,
in front.
that.
How were your classes in the first semester? How did you
In
find
first-
the?
In first semester, subject was similar.
Yeah.
So it was fine. This is the career zone out.
So this is where the career team sits.
Yeah.
And how all do they help you guys out?
From actually, most of the mentors are staying in library, and they have introduced some mentors so that we can follow up.
I can see that they are also helping with
Yeah.
part-time jobs which are there on campus, and
Yeah.
many workshops and events also being posted
Yeah,
here.
there are having a lot of events. Last week it happened regarding, I don't know, I don't remember because I haven't attended. But we can see in our trackmyfutureul.com,
Right.
everything is there.
So you have like online portals where all the
Yeah.
information is
Yeah,
provided to
online
you.
portal. We
Great.
can direct connect to that module leader or any mentor. We can
Right.
talk to them by Teams, MS Teams.
So they also make it easier for you to interact within the campus, with your
Yeah.
faculty, with your mentors,
Yeah, it's
with
very
other
easy.
students. Yeah.
It's very easy.
Oh, so that's great to hear also.
So
Because
there
I think
is-
that's a tough job when everyone is come from outside. It's not so easy to get to know new people, right? So
So
We were talking about your experience of studying in your first semester. We got cut out there.
yeah, it was good. I scored very good marks.
Yeah, congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But right now I'm scared because of my main domain, business analytics.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite bit hard, but I hope I can manage.
No, I'm sure you will manage. You are a confident student. I'm sure. But do you also have to do any industry projects or
Yeah.
any like practical knowledge?
Yeah, in every seminar activity, we have to make a lot of projects.
There in the back we have the west building, then the east building,
East building.
and then there's a cafeteria in the middle.
Yeah, and there is a primary school, kindergarten school.
Ah, that's the school. That's why I was seeing
Yeah.
this. I was thinking like such young kids
Yeah.
getting to university.
A lot of. You can see a lot of different people also. Some Asians, some British.
As my initial impression of the campus is, I see a lot of Indian students.
Yeah.
Or like I think South Asian
I'm
students.
shocked.
Yeah.
First, I was thinking there will be a lot of British people, but in my class, there is only 2 British people. Only one girl.
And this is
one
MBA
boy.
Business Analytics, like
Yes.
really sought after program, no?
Yeah.
What is your class size?
It's very big.
About 100 people.
More than 60 people.
And you're saying there are 2 people from England
And other than are from Pakistan, Nepal, Saudi, Kenya.
So there are people from other countries,
Yeah.
but South Asians are predominantly the highest number.
Yeah. In my class also, there are a
Yeah.
lot of South people.
Like people from, even from India, there are people from South.
South.
Ah, okay.
I'm the only one who is
Ah.
from North.
Okay.
So-
We've interviewed students today morning from
Especially
Chennai,
Hyderabad.
from Hyderabad. Yes, we met 3 friends from
A lot of
Hyderabad as
Telugu
well.
people.
We met some friends from Nepal too. But yes, I think there's a lot of Indian or South Asian community here. So guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now. Why do you think, what's the reason for that? Students are referring their own friends back.
Coming to abroad is like a social media trending.
The university is good at marketing itself.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
How has been your experience in terms of like now that your class has got a lot of South Asian people? Would you have preferred to go to a university that was more diverse? Or you think this is actually a great thing because you can connect so much better with your classmates?
I prefer to go another university because I came here to meet different people, right?
Right.
Especially British people.
Right.
But I'm quite disappointed.
But you're saying the education is good, but
Yeah,
yes,
education is
it's
good.
not very multicultural, especially not so many students from local. Where do you live, Mariam?
Newbury Park. It's near to Ilford.
To Ilford. Yeah, we are going to Ilford after this to meet a friend of ours who's working in the NHS and understanding from him how to get a full-time job that can give you sponsorship because he has sponsorship and
Okay.
working in the healthcare sector. Hopefully, if we find some great information, we'll pass it on to you as well. Maybe it's useful for you. In Ilford, how much do you end up paying for your accommodation?
400
£400 per month.
per month.
And how many people share a room?
I'm sharing with one girl.
In general, I think everyone is spending 350 to 400 pounds per bed. I think
First, I was paying 350.
Hmm.
Then after I changed the accommodation, so I'm paying 400 because room is spacious and
Yeah. How much is your total living expense?
more than 700.
But yes, because you are in the business analytics domain, what kind of jobs are you looking for?
White collar job, especially.
White collar jobs? And in terms of like what kind of companies are you trying to apply to?
Not here. I'm definitely gonna come back to India,
Yeah.
like Deloitte, Cognizant.
So you are planning to come back to India after you
Yeah.
complete your studies?
Maybe after PSW.
After PSW.
Yeah.
And what is it that you planned, what kind of a job will you look for during your PSW?
Here in IT sector, there is not a lot of job. Basically, people are doing any type of job, just they are recovering the money by
Right.
doing any type of job.
So the aim is to actually make sure that their money that they're spending is being recovered, and maybe not really the job is essentially linked to the skill that they are studying here. You said we are going to some Royal Dock, which was this.
We can go that.
This way?
I've almost forgot.
And what happens in this building?
Gym, sports, basketball, badminton,
Okay.
tennis, almost everything.
We saw this when,
This is
when we
free
came.
for students.
Do you also play any sports here?
I was, but now
Now
I
you
don't
are
have
busy.
time. Yeah, they are trainers.
This university is actually pretty good at sports then, huh? They have a lot of people who have represented the country, mostly athletics, basketball, rowing, fencing. What was the sport that you used to play here?
I just only joined the gym.
Ah, okay.
That's-
You are using here, finding a part-time job here is
It's
also...
very hard.
It's very hard.
It's very hard. And still I'm searching. I don't know how I'm gonna get, but still I'm searching.
So this is where all the sporting facilities,
Yeah,
the gym,
gym,
swimming
everything.
pool, everything is...
I hate this weather.
I think from India people hate it, people here love it. They, yeah.
Especially British people.
Yeah.
They want tan skin.
They want tan.
Yeah,
Indian people want fair skin and British people want tan skin.
Yeah.
That's the irony. Nobody's happy.
nobody's satisfied.
Nobody's satisfied.
Yeah.
Any other advice if somebody wants to do Masters of Business Analytics? What skills that they should try to prepare for before they are coming here?
Especially in computer science, analytical skills should be maintained, okay? And yeah, basic knowledge in computers, basic
Any
knowledge in
specific
business.
languages that you should know? Or
Yeah,
any
Python,
Python
especially Python and Spider.
you
Yeah.
use them as well in your projects?
Yes. And all that analytical tools, especially Tableau, Power BI.
So what else would you like to tell the students who are coming to
Don't
university?
come if you don't have money. But now I'm regretting why I came here. But here I'm not happy because I don't have a job. Because most of the students, everyone will say I'm regretting here. 1 day, 2 day, it's fine. But for 1 year or 2 years, it's very hard. For the first time I came here, I was like, no, I want to go back home. And I called my dad, I just want to come back. He said, no, the first time it's like that. You will get used to, then you have to stay there. I was like, okay. But still, I am not liking this place.
Right.
I have a lot of problems,
What are some of the problems? What problems you think?
especially job.
You complete your degree, you have actually not learnt anything.
Yeah.
And then if you are expecting to get a job, then that's not going to happen. More than our responsibility is not just helping students like yourself to come to UK, but also to actually building your careers. So in any way I can be of help in helping you get a job. It's not so easy to share when you are, feeling that pain.
Yeah, I was almost about to.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.